What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Resale back at it again with another video for y'all boys. Today in this video, I do have an unboxing. The pack literally just landed just now, so we're about to get into this unboxing. Like I have mentioned in previous videos, it is that Moissanite Cartier. So I've been waiting on this pack to touch down for a little minute now, and it's finally here, so I'm excited. So let's get into it. Here, as you can see, straight from FedEx. Nice handy dandy pack. Pack is nice and tight. Got my scissors right here, so you can get started and just kind of chop it up as I get into this unboxing for y'all. But pretty much, I just buy these watches for around 500 to 700 bucks, depending on how rare the watch is, the type of watch it is, and you know what's done to it as far as the ice part, as far as the stones put into it. And I flip them for anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500. But here's the pack, just landed. I'm excited. Came wrapped up very, very well, just like the Patek Philippe. Cut into it with the scissors right now. I'm struggling, but yeah, like I said, I buy these for around 500 to 700, and I sell them for around 1,000 to 2,500. It's making me good profit, obviously. That's over 1,000 every sale, or at least double every sale. But finally, we done got that joint out, and you can see it's bubble wrapped very, very tightly, which is good. Make sure none of the stones are missing. Nothing is scratched or damaged. Boom. Now that that's out the way, the bubble wrap layers. Last one. And then the plastic, you can see you got that Cartier box. I'm saving all this bubble wrap just in case I gotta ship back out one of these special watches. So make sure I save all this. I don't need this plastic. Pull this Cartier out the box. Are y'all ready? Y'all unboxing it with me? Y'all unboxing it with me? This has to be exciting. This has to be live. Let's get into it. I got the gloves on for this one. It's special. It's special, baby. Come with the styrofoam. Pull that out. It's wrapped in paper like some shoes, baby. It's wrapped up like some shoes, like a sandwich. Oh, we got the receipt under here too. Trying to pull. Okay, I kind of opened the lock to pull it out, but don't trip on that. You got that thing saran wrapped all tightly. You got Cartier on the box. This box is dope. Got a little lock box, little treasure box. But yeah, it's the Cartier box. Comes with the receipt, wrapped in this tissue paper. Throw all this stuff away. Put it in this plastic bag right here. All right. I mean, not the receipt. This isn't the receipt, but this is the papers. The little booklet, the Cartier booklet. Make sure you can see that clearly. We also got the Cartier verification card and tag with the Swiss logo on there. Boom. Now let's get into the watch. I actually like this. It's pretty neat to come with a watch. It's pretty dope, pretty dope. Let's get into the watch though. Dun dun dun. You gotta get this unboxing in. Oh, it's upside down. Cartier with the pillow touch. It's so plush. It's so plush. Got that thing saran wrapped down. Oh, you guys are going through everything with me. Alright, you guys, I got that saran wrap off. And here it is. The Cartier Santos skeleton with raised diamonds across the band. And oh my God, it is gorgeous. It is beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. This thing is absolutely stunning. It's a little bit crooked. The way that it was placed in there, and it has to be placed in there like this. As you can see, the bubble wrap is like shrink wrapped around it because of the diamonds that are on the band, you know. So as you can see, there's little stones on the band of the watch, and that's why it was placed like that. We're gonna move the box to the side here and get into the details of this beautiful, beautiful Cartier. Hold on, guys, I gotta get the light. Give me 1 second. You guys can stare at that. Alright guys, I'm setting up the flash. Ooh, as you can see, that thing shines with the light. It shines without the light as well, but with the light it's crazy. It's crazy. But that's beautiful right there, guys. This is the Cartier Santos. This is all skeleton. Let me get this glove off so I can work this phone. But this is all skeleton. I gotta get it to focus for you all. And this is very dope. This is a very dope piece. I'm very happy and excited to unbox this. If you all look very, very, very closely, you can see it says Cartier. I can't get the camera to focus for some reason, but this thing is absolutely stunning. Yeah. Got the blue dial knob. And Cardi. Maybe it's the lighting in here. The lighting isn't as good as I would want it to be. But as you can see, that thing shines, bro. It shines like a high beam. It shines. Cartier skelly face, all white diamonds, raised diamonds across the band. That thing is beautiful. Let me get this other glove back on. Man, I'm so happy that you all unboxed this with me, because I didn't do the paddock with you all. I didn't do an unboxing exactly. So I'm obviously gonna do a couple more videos on this. I just pushed it in and popped it open. Ooh. Yeah, this one's nice. This one's nice. You got the blue on the band to match the dial knob. And then you have the skeleton on the back of the watch. It's all the way skelly. You got Swiss made right here. Up here. You all can't see it well. I'm gonna do another video because the camera quality on this video isn't that good. This is really just a quick unboxing. But yeah, I'm actually about to end this video. It's hitting 12 minutes and I'm not gonna do any editing. So I just had to show you all this. This is the Cartier skeleton. If you all want my vendor, all you have to do is DM me on IG and I'll give you my vendor for about 25 bucks. Like I said, I pay about 500 to 700 for one of these. And yeah, I flip them from anywhere from 1,000 to 2,500, depending on the type of watch it is, the quality of the stones. Like this one is flawless. This one is a flawless flood. Quality of the watch is A1. Diamonds on the band right here. And yeah, I'm gonna do another video for you all and put some diamond testing clips in here as well. Peace. It's your boy Resell. I'm out. So I'm gonna close it up for you all right quick. Close it. You just push the middle in, snap it back straight into place like that. And to pop it open, you just push this button in right here and it pops straight open. Yeah, it's the Cartier flooded with extra diamonds. It's your boy Resell. That's the end of the video. I'm out. Peace. Take it. What's good, YouTube? It is a few days later. Like I said, I was gonna throw a few clips of me diamond testing it in there, and here's the videos. Everything passes flawlessly. As you can see right here, I'm hitting it on the raised diamond, and boom, it pops all the way to the top meter. And that was very satisfying to see. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, the Cartier was very flashy, and in comparison to the paddock, I think I like the Cartier a little bit better just because of how it grips to my wrist. But the paddock shines harder actually, so I'm satisfied with both of them, both purchases. And yeah, as you can see right here, the Cartier is shining pretty flawlessly, so I'm satisfied with that as well. But I'm gonna get a few more watches soon, probably some APs, and I got some rose gold paddocks in stock and some all gold paddocks that are flooded, so I'm interested in grabbing those. As well. And a few APs. There's an old school AP, it's called the Jumbo AP, and I really want it, so I'm probably gonna grab that. I'm gonna spend like 2,000 on my next re-up, but here I had to throw the Cartier on my wrist. It's shining hard, of course. Yeah, That thing is crazy. It grips to your wrist crazy. The quality is crazy. Like VS1, it looks like, honestly. It looks like VS1s. And yeah, as you can see, we got the blue dial knob. How you change the time. Yep. That thing is flashy. Cartier logo on the bottom. Very, very flashy watch. But other than this piece, reselling for me has been like, it's been pretty good recently, these past few days. To get these pieces with the items that I resold have been on Depop. If you have watched my other videos, then you'll know how I got to these watches, how I got to this point of making money. If you haven't watched those videos, then go watch them now. They'll obviously help you if you want to start this reselling journey, because I've already done it. But that's pretty much it for this video. It's your boy Resell. I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for videos if you like the content. Gang, peace.